Today we're going to be sharing how to turn vintage glass dishes into candles. First, you're going to add some water to a large saucepan and put on your stove over medium heat. Then you'll add your soy wax chips to, I like to use a large glass Pyrex container that has a pourable spout. Make sure that your water level won't be high enough to get into the glass container at any point. You're going to want to heat this until the wax completely melts, and if you want to add in essential oils, you'll add that in when your wax reaches 185 degrees. Let your wax cool to about 135 degrees before you pour the wax. You're going to take your wood wicks and add your wick clip to the bottom. Then I just use a bit of hot glue to attach this to the center of the glass container. After the glue is dried, I like to leave my containers kind of near the stove where the wax is melting, just so that they get a little bit warmer and take better to the wax when you pour it in. So then once my wax is 135 degrees, I'll start pouring it into the glass container, and then I'll let it sit about 24 hours until it's completely cooled. After the 24 hours, I'll trim down the wick and then it's ready to gift.